everyone, welcome back to Tech with Pranita. I hope you are doing great. In today's video, we are going to learn building date and time function in MySQL. So basically, date and time functions are one of the most important topic in MySQL because almost every real world application store date and time functions. For example, employee attendance system, student management system, online shopping website, hospital management system, banking applications. All these applications use date and time function. So in this video, we have learned every functions step by step with practical example. Let's again. So what are the date and time function? Before learning the function, let's understand what is date and time function actually are. MySQL provide many built-in functions that helps us works with date and times. These functions can display the current date, display the current time, display both current date and time together, extract year, month and day, calculate the difference between two dates, add day, month and year, subtract day, months and or years. Formatted according to your requirement. Instead of writing completed calculations, MySQL provide ready-made functions that make our easier. So our work is easier to using the date and time function. So let's start with open first workbench. Now let's connect your MySQL. Select the MySQL new files. So first function is a current date. The first function is a current date. It returns to a current 2 days. CURDAT. Write this. So select and function is current date. Semicolon is most important. Select and execute this query. Now this format year, month and day means 4 times Y, mm and dd. Suppose an employee joins today, instead the entering today's date manually, we can simply use the current date. Second function is current time. Now let's learn current time. It returns only the current system date. Select CUR time, round bracket open close and last semicolon. Format is hours, minute and second. Whenever an employee logins in, the login time can be stored in automatically. So use this function current time. Third function is now. Now both returns current date and current time. Select now, round bracket open close, select the query and execute. See here, this is one of the most commonly used function. Suppose a customer place an order, we want to save the exact date and time. So both are display here, date and time. Fourth function is system date. The next function is system date. It is also used at the current date and time. Most beginner thinks now and system date are exactly the same. They look similar, but internally they work differently. For beginners and diploma students, remember both returns the current date and time. Write like this: select SYS date. See, output is both are same now and SYS date means system date. Fifth function is year. Here it extract only the year. Select year in round bracket. Today's date is 2026 dash month is 6 and day is 26. See, only years can be extracted. Suppose you want to display all employees joined in 2026, you can extract year easily using this year function. Next function is month. Month return the only month number. Select month. Copy this date and paste here. You can write any different date. Okay, 6 month. So extract only month is 6. Means so 6 June is the month. Next function is day. Day returns the day of month like this. Select day in round bracket and paste your day. Execute this command. So today is 26. So see here, day is 26. Next function is date. Suppose you have date and time together but only want to the date, then use date. Select date in curly bracket, use now. Last semicolon. Select this query and execute. See, today's date is display here. Next function is time function. Time extract only the time. Select time, round bracket, write the now function, bracket is completed, last semicolon. Output is only time. Next function is date different. Date different, calculate the difference between two dates. Select date different. Single quote, you can write any date, 2026 0 July 10th, comma, next date is I am using current date. Let's see difference for two dates. Okay, 14 is a difference. These two dates. Calculate employee leave duration. Second one is a calculate project completion day, calculate delivery days. Those practical example for using this date different. Next function is a date add. See, date add day, month and year. Select date add, comma, interval, function use, in bracket 10 days. Semicolon is important. Okay, sorry. यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट्स देने की जरूरत नहीं है. You can only select this query and execute. So you can do also add this day, month and year. Next function is date sub. Select date sub in bracket any date you can add comma interval 5 days. Select the query and execute. Okay, answer is 21. Okay, before 26 5 days are left, so date is 21. So these are the all date and time function used are mostly. So real time applications are date and time function. First is the employee attendance system, second one hospital management system, banking software, student management system, e-commerce website, railway reservation, online food delivery. Every database project use date and time function. So let's summary. Today's we are learned. First is a current date, second current time, third now, fourth system date, fifth year, sixth month, seven day, next eight date, time, date and difference, date add and date sub means subtraction. This these are the most important MySQL date and time functions that every student should be use now. Okay, if you enjoy this video and learn something new, don't forget to like this video, comments your doubts below, share this video with your friends. Subscribe to Tech with Pranita and press bell icon so if you never miss upcoming videos. Now DBMS, MySQL, SQL, PLSQL, then also React or Node.js can be coming this video. Okay, thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Happy learning.